What's the meaning of bookable? Bookable. Bookable.
Bookable. Bookable. The term bookable typically refers to something that can be reserved or scheduled through a system or service. This could apply to a variety of things, such as hotel rooms, flights, rental cars, or even appointments for services like haircuts or doctor's visits. Essentially, if something is bookable, it means that there is a process in place for someone to secure a spot or reservation for a specific time or date. This functionality is often offered by online platforms or booking agencies, allowing customers to easily browse and compare options before making a selection. Being bookable can increase accessibility and convenience for both service providers and consumers.